In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and add bank account to TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to expect on screen so your bank account is linked quickly and securely. First, open the TikTok app and make sure you're signed in to the account you use for TikTok Shop. For the smoothest experience, confirm your app is up to date and you have a stable internet connection. From the main screen, head to your profile by tapping Profile in the bottom right. This takes you to your account hub. At the top right, tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. This menu is where you'll find key settings that control your purchases and payouts. In the menu, select your orders. Even if you're linking a bank account for payouts or future purchases, this is the section that houses your payment settings. Inside your orders, look for payment methods and tap it. This area shows any cards or bank accounts you've already added, and it's where you can add new ones. Now, choose Link Bank Account. You'll see a list of supported banks, along with a search bar to quickly find yours. Select your bank. TikTok will guide you through a secure, built-in flow to connect your account. Follow the prompts exactly as they appear. You may be redirected to your bank's secure page or app to verify your identity. Complete the verification as requested within the official interface, and then return to TikTok to finalize the connection. While you're going through the prompts, keep a few tips in mind. Make sure the name on your bank account matches the name on your TikTok account to prevent verification issues. If you use multi-factor verification, have your device ready to approve the sign-in or receive a one-time code. Only enter information inside the official TikTok or bank windows. If anything looks off, back out and try again from the payment methods screen. Once the connection is successful, you'll see a confirmation on screen and your bank will appear under payment methods. If your bank isn't listed, it may not be supported yet in your region. In that case, check back later or choose a different available bank. If the process stalls, ensure your app is updated and try again on a strong network. That's it. You've opened TikTok, gone to your profile, used the menu to reach your orders, tapped payment methods, and linked your bank by following the on-screen instructions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you connect your bank account to TikTok Shop with confidence.